Look how it stretches. Unbelievable. It stretched with the material. Look how it sticks. Look, it's stuck. You see this thin EPDM black? You see the black? Thin EPDM, and then you see the white? That's the silicone seal. Look at it. You cannot tear it up. You cannot tear it up. This is unbelievable. You just paint the coat. Once you got it clean, very simple to repair. Paint your just like that. Put a thick coat of super silicone seal right in the corner there. All right. Then you add the fleece to the corner, right? Going up a little bit. Have to go up a little bit. Right there. Just like that. And this will never come loose again. And you put your second coat over that, and your roof is sealed. You never have to worry about this. It's not unlikely that, like that tape that comes loose, this doesn't come loose. Make sure you cover it completely. This is how you fix an EPDM roof, where all the patches has been added and added over the years. It doesn't fit silicone, so you don't have to cover it. It will not shrink. It sticks to EPDM, and you never have to think about this again. It's unbelievable how this works.